I got the cold, he got the title, I got old. Watching him work while I watched the door. I knew every spell he knew, I knew a few more. They came for his counsel, they came for his name. They walked right past me every time they came. Some knew the wide, some knew the great. I was at the table, he got the plate.
I found something
Deeper than dark,
something that answered
when I called into the heart of everything he'd never touch, everything he'd never dare. I just opened the door that was already there.
I am the other brother,
The one who found the edge,
I am the other brother,
the one who made the pledge. Skorne came when I called him, the dungeons built themselves.
I am the other brother,
The other brother. If you knew his name, you weren't paying attention.